Hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I'm a regular dude walking in the Word. Hey, you've been in situations where you've done some really stupid stuff, okay? I've been in that situation before. And someone will come to you and go, well, what did the people do to you to make you do such a stupid thing, all right? Like, did they kidnap you? Did they put a gun to your head and make you do such a stupid thing? And you have to go, no, I just chose to do it on my own, okay? And that's what happens here today. Moses asked the question, he says, what did these people do to you? Like, the insinuation is, you did such a stupid thing here, and it's like, there's got to be a reason why you did this foolish thing, but no, it's just like, he did it because he was foolish, okay? This is episode 109 of Exodus, and it's called, What Did These People Do to You? And it's taken from Exodus 32 today. We're moving on to verses 15 to 24 today. All right, so follow along in your Bibles like I am. And it's Exodus 32, 15 to 24. Let's read. Moses turned and went down the mountain, and with the 2 tablets of the covenant law in his hands. They were inscribed on both sides, front and back. The tablets were the work of God. The writing was the writing of God engraved on the tablets. Okay? Wow. These tablets were actually inscribed by God. Okay? The tablets that come later, not inscribed by God, they're inscribed by Moses. But these would be inscribed by God. That's really a wow thing there. When Joshua heard the noise of the people shouting, he said to Moses, "There is a sound of war in the camp." Moses replied, "It is not the sound of victory, and it's not the sound of defeat. It is the sound of singing that I hear." When Moses approached the camp and saw the calf and dancing, his anger burned. Okay? This guy was irate. His anger burned. And it says, he threw the tablets out of his hands, breaking them to pieces at the foot of the mountain. And he took the calf and the people he had made and burned it in a fire. Then he ground it to powder, scattering it on the water, and made the Israelites drink it. Okay? When Moses comes down out of the mountain, and we'll read this later on in the chapter, every time he's in the presence of God, he's kind of glowing, okay? So imagine this guy's coming down out of the mountain. He's been up there a long time. He comes down out of the mountain, and you can see this glow of the leader here, Moses, and he comes down, and you can see he's mad, okay? And he's partway down, and he throws the tablets down. You know you're in trouble, okay? Verse 21, he said to Aaron, "What did these people do to you, that you led them into such great sin?" That's it right there. He says, what did these people do to you, that you led them into such great sin? Or did they kidnap you? Did they pay you? What's the reason here? Verse 22, "Oh, do not be angry with me, my lord." This is wimpy. Aaron answered, "You know how prone these people are to evil. They said to me, 'Make us gods who will go before us.' As for this fellow Moses who brought us up out of Egypt, we don't know what has happened to him." Well, Aaron knew where he was. Why didn't he speak up? "So I told them, whoever has gold jewelry, take it off. Then they gave it to me, the gold, and I threw it into the fire, and out came this calf." Magic, okay? Not what happened. We just read earlier how he asked for the stuff to be brought to him, okay? He initiated. He said, "Hey, bring me your gold stuff." And then he melted it into a big glob or whatever. And then he took a tool and he fashioned it, okay? 2 different stories here. We know the truth earlier on that he did that. And now he's telling Moses, "Hey, I just did this, and out popped this calf." It said, "Then he gave it to me, the gold, and I threw it into the fire, and out came this calf." What kind of garbage is that? The calf magically just comes out, like magic, here I'm a calf. No, this is crazy. And Moses can see the craziness when he says something like that, like, what kind of stupid thing is that? The whole point here is Aaron knows he's done a stupid thing, and now he's trying to defend it. When he defends it, it sounds even more stupider. That's the word for today, stupider. And it still doesn't go well. And it goes back to the question, what did these people do to make you do this? They didn't do anything. They just asked him to do it, and he did it. Okay? We're guilty of the same thing. We do some stupid stuff. And is it anyone else's fault? Not a lot of times. A lot of times it's my own fault because I chose to do that. It might have been even myself initiating that. So, we can get mad and think Aaron is nutso for doing this. A lot of times the sin we're involved in, we have initiated. And someone could be asking us, who made you do such a stupid thing? And you have to go, myself. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we continue our journey through Exodus. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.